All right, let's jump right in. We're talking about something huge today, the AI revolution in customer service. That part of a business that's always been seen as just a cost? Well, that's all changing. We're going to see how AI is flipping the script and turning it into a super efficient, super strategic part of the company. So here's how we're going to break it all down. First, we'll look at the crisis, why old school customer support is just plain broken. Then we'll see how AI steps in as the hero. We'll get a reality check on who's actually using it, talk about the hidden dangers, and then get to the good stuff, the massive cost savings. And finally, we'll peek into the future, which is all about being proactive.
Okay, does this sound familiar? I bet it does. You send an email, then you're in a live chat, then maybe you tweet at the company, and it feels like you're talking to 3 different businesses that have never heard of each other. That's the core of the problem, right? This messy, disjointed experience is frustrating for us as customers and a total nightmare for businesses. And believe me, the cost of getting this wrong, it's absolutely mind-blowing.
Yeah, you're seeing that right. $3.7 trillion. That's not a typo. This is the amount of money globally that's on the line every single year just because of bad customer service. It's like a financial time bomb just sitting there, ticking away. So you can see why fixing this isn't just some nice little project. It's a straight-up financial necessity.
All right, so let's dig into that crisis a little deeper. What does it actually feel like when support is failing? Before we can appreciate the solution, we've really got to understand the problem. I mean, we've all been there, right? The pain points are pretty much the same everywhere. You're waiting forever for a response. The poor support agents on the other end are just buried under a mountain of boring, repetitive tickets. The quality of help you get is a total roll of the dice. Depends on who you get. And the only solution companies have had is to just throw more people at the problem, which means costs go through the roof. It's this messy, reactive system that's just stuck in a downward spiral. And this really shows the 2 roads a business can go down. On one side, you have that vicious cycle we were just talking about. Slow service leads to unhappy customers who then contact you again, which means you need more staff, and boom, costs explode. But look at the other side. This is the virtuous cycle that AI makes possible. You get fast, instant responses, which leads to happier customers. They don't have to keep calling back. And your same team can handle everything because they're basically super powered by AI. Costs go down, and everyone's happier. So that brings us to the hero of the story, AI. And look, we're not talking about just a band-aid here. AI is a complete game changer. It's rewriting the entire rulebook for customer service, specifically to shatter that vicious cycle and build something way, way better. Okay, so what are we really talking about here? Think of it like this. AI omnichannel service is basically giving your company one single smart brain for all your customer support. The big goal is to make the experience smooth and consistent, no matter how a customer reaches out. The AI actually remembers what you said in the chat when you later send an email or make a call. No more repeating yourself. So how does this magic actually happen? Well, it breaks down into about 4 key moves. First, the AI dives in and figures out the full story of every conversation. It gets the context. Then, it helps the support agent write smart, consistent replies that sound like your brand. After that, it's also acting as a quality cop, automatically checking to make sure things are going well. And here's the best part, it's always learning. It spots where the team is missing information and makes the whole system smarter for the next time. Okay, the idea sounds amazing, right? But what's really going on out there? It's time for a little reality check. Let's separate the hype from what's actually happening in the market, because there's always a gap between the big promises and what companies are really up to. And wow, the speed here is just insane. Just look at these numbers from McKinsey. Back in 2021, a little over half of companies were using AI. By 2025, that's projected to be nearly 90%. So this isn't some futuristic niche tech anymore. It's quickly becoming the standard way of doing business. But, and this is a really big but, here's the twist. Even though almost everyone is using AI, this data shows a huge difference in how they're using it. Almost 2/3 of companies are just dipping their toes in the water. They're experimenting, running little pilots. Only a tiny 7% have actually gone all in and scaled it across the whole company. And that right there is a massive opportunity for anyone who's ready to move past the testing phase and get serious. Of course, moving that fast comes with its own set of problems. You can't just flip a switch. To get from playing around with AI to running your business on AI, you absolutely have to face the security and privacy headaches that come along for the ride.
And the risks are pretty unique. You've got things like prompt injection, which is a fancy way of saying someone can trick the AI into doing something it's not supposed to. It's kind of like social engineering, but for a machine. And then, of course, there are the huge privacy risks. What if sensitive customer data gets leaked? These aren't just small technical bugs. We're talking about major business risks that you need a solid plan for. The good news? You can manage these risks. It's not impossible. You just need a smart, layered defense, like what you see here. It's based on ideas like zero trust, which basically means the system is paranoid and verifies everything. You combine that with tough data protection and safe ways of building your AI. It's not about finding one single solution, but about building a strong wall of defense around your AI.
Okay, we've talked about the problems and the risks. Now let's get to the part everyone's been waiting for. The payoff, the ROI, the money. Once you have the risks under control, what kind of real, tangible results can you expect?
30% plus. That's the magic number. We're talking about cutting customer service costs by a third or even more. And this isn't some pie-in-the-sky guess. This is a real, proven number that companies are hitting right now, just by letting AI handle the simple stuff and freeing up their human teams to be more effective. And if you want proof, just look at a real-world example. Let's talk about Frank Home Solutions. They're a big global company that makes kitchen stuff. They were facing all these same challenges, and their story of how they turned things around is a fantastic playbook for how to do this right.
I mean, the change for them was just night and day. Before, it was a total mess. Different systems that didn't talk to each other, tons of manual work, and their partners were getting a really inconsistent experience. But then, after they implemented their new system, everything changed. They built one single unified portal for everyone. Suddenly, ordering was automated, everyone had the same correct information, and their partners could help themselves. It took a huge load off their internal team.
So, we've covered the problem, we've seen the solution, we've looked at the incredible ROI, but the real story, the biggest transformation here, isn't just about saving money today. It's about building a completely different, a completely new kind of customer service for the future.
I want you to think about this for a second. What if your customer service could fix a problem before you even knew you had one? For its entire history, customer service has been about waiting for the phone to ring. It's reactive. AI is about to flip that entire idea upside down. We're moving from reacting to predict.
And this change is happening really, really fast. Right now, in 2025, it's all about making self-service smarter, having AI handle most of the basic stuff. By next year, we'll see a lot more processes that are fully automated from start to finish. But the real destination by 2027 is truly proactive support, where the AI uses data to see a problem coming and solves it before the customer even notices. Now that is the holy grail of customer service.
So, if you take away one thing, let it be this. AI isn't just about making the old way of doing customer service a little bit cheaper. No way. It's about a total transformation. It's turning that reactive cost center into a smart, proactive part of your business that actually builds customer loyalty and gives you a real competitive edge. The future isn't on its way. It's already here, and AI is driving it.